Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 things to start doing to become a profitable trader. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Carter. I'm a full-time swing trader in the market. A lot of people, there's either 2 different types of traders. There's day traders and then there's swing traders. For me, I'm a swing trader. I hold stocks for more than a day, less than a year, on average 6 to 9 days. I've been doing that full-time for over 6 years, and guys, we have an amazing school where I teach people my strategies, my mindset, all that stuff. Check it out down below, and you guys can use code SCHOOL, a back to school day sale, for 50% off. Code SCHOOL, 50% off. But guys, let's jump into it. Here we go. All right, so looking at this, we're going to be doing this little slideshow, really breaking down things one by one. So 3 things to start doing to become profitable. And don't forget, code SCHOOL for 50% off. So the first thing you guys need to do is to journal. Journal. So journalism is very, very important to start doing because it will track your progress. It helps with pattern recognition, and it provides a record of what works, but more importantly, what doesn't work and how you can pretty much never make that mistake again. It also will encourage you to be more accountable and disciplined. Now, you guys can use a 99-cent journal from the dollar store, or you guys can get mine. This is the Trader's Journal. It's the one in the picture. It's awesome. But the reason why this is so important is because it always will make sure you're choosing quality stocks. It will make sure you're choosing quality over quantity. Journaling is probably the number one thing traders don't do, and they should. So let's move on to thing number 2. Thing number 2 is aim for base hits, right? A lot of people think that as a trader, our job is to turn $20 into $100 million. No, our job is to make money, whether it's $1, whether it's $10 or $100,000. So aiming for base hits gives a pretty much realistic profits. So consistent small gains reduce the pressure of hitting big wins. Obviously, when you hit for base hits, just like in baseball, you will occasionally get that big one and you'll get that good move and hit a home run. But more importantly, it helps with lower risk compared to chasing large and uncertain profits. So if there's 2 stocks and one's, a stock where you could see it go up $500, but it's also going to be a risk of like $5,000. No, compared to a stock where maybe you only make $50, but you risked $10 to get that money. Focusing on trades with a higher probability of success, and then obviously setting realistic profit targets. Don't overtrade, and aiming for base hits will really, really help choose quality over quantity. And this is probably one of the number one things every trader should do, is just focus on just aiming for base hits and having realistic profit targets. Because nowadays, when you go on YouTube, TikTok, all of that stuff, you constantly see people, turning at $10 into $100 million. And so anytime you do that, it sets this, the trader community as, oh, everybody has to have massive returns to make money. And that's not the case. All right, the last thing is obviously just developing a checklist for entry. I think that this, for me, was probably a huge thing to really make sure I'm choosing quality. Obviously, at least for me, when I first started out, I would trade just almost any stock. So I wasn't choosing quality. I was more choosing quantity. So why a checklist? So it really ensures consistency in your trading approach. It helps you with that strategy. But more importantly, it prevents emotional decision making. As a trader, I would say about 80% of trading is actually emotion based. So, it's do you have fear? Do you have FOMO? You see other traders maybe you talk with, and they bought this stock, so maybe you think you should buy it. It also will increase the likelihood of profitable trades. So what to include in your checklist? So market trends like volatility, technical indicators like moving average lines, RSI, MACD, entry and exit, risk and reward, confirmation of setup, and how to use this. Obviously, review the checklist before each trade. Make it habit. Don't skip any steps. Adjust your strategy or adjust your checklist as your strategy changes. So guys, just like the stock market changes, your strategy is going to change as well. And these 3 things that you can start doing will literally change the way you trade. It will start making sure you're choosing quality stocks. It will start reducing emotional, decision making, and more importantly, it'll keep track of what things that don't work for you. Maybe you don't even realize it right now. So guys, don't forget, if you want to learn more about swing trading, code SCHOOL for 50% off. And don't forget to get your own trading journal. I'll put it down below. It's right on Amazon, but click that link and we'll see you guys in there. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys did, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.